it's your girl Brittany here, and I just wanted to lead you through a really simple guided meditation to get you reconnected with your breath work and your breath after a really stressful day. I know personally how hard work and being the householder and all the little things in between can be. So I just want to introduce you to one of my favorite ways to get reconnected into my body after a stressful day. So join me for this guided meditation. Go ahead and get seated nice and comfortably. That can be like easy sitting pose like I'm in right now. The most important thing is that your spine is straight. So you could be sitting with your legs like this if that's comfortable for you. You could even be sitting up against a wall, or you can go ahead and grab a yoga block and sit on that if you have one. But we're going to get nice and comfy. We're going to roll those shoulders down and back. And we're going to start taking nice deep inhales into the belly. Inhaling deeply through the nose. Exhaling completely through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth. We're going to do this a few times. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling completely through the mouth. I invite you to take your right hand to your heart, your left hand to your belly, so you can further anchor into your breath by feeling your chest and belly rise on the inhale. Feeling the belly and the chest collapse on the exhale. We're going to take a few deep breaths that way. And you can slowly place your hands onto your lap. You can place them onto your lap with the onto your knees with the palms facing down. Or you can take Gyan Mudra, touching your pointer and your thumb for focus and intention and bringing good energy into our body. And we're going to start taking timed breathing. So we're going to inhale to a count and then exhale to a count. And the count will raise and then it'll go down by the time we're finished. So go ahead and close the eyes, get comfortable. And we're going to start with inhaling to the count of 4. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Pausing at the top. Exhaling 4, 3, 2, 1. Pausing your exhale at the bottom. Inhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pausing your exhale at the bottom. Inhale to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pausing at the top. Exhaling to the count of 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pausing at the bottom. Inhaling to the count of 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pausing at the top. Exhaling to the count of 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pausing your exhale on the bottom. Inhaling to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. of 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pausing at the bottom. Inhaling to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pausing at the top of your inhale. Exhaling to the count of 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pausing at the bottom of your exhale. Inhaling to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling to the count of 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling to the count of 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling deeply into the belly. Exhaling completely through the mouth. We're going to come back to that deep belly breathing. Inhaling deeply into the belly. Exhaling completely. A few more times. Whenever you're ready, wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes, rolling the shoulders back a few times, letting your body know it's time to wake up from that breath work. And I just want to say thank you so much for trying that. I know that stress can be one of those things where it feels like we never can get away from it, but just with a few short, simple breath work like that, you can really ease the stress and tension inside of your body, and especially in your chest and upper back area where stress can get stored the most. So your breath is so powerful, and I want you to know that you have that power and that choice in every inhale and exhale you take. So I hope that this video reminds you to take a few more deeper inhales and just as deep exhales when things are stressful. If you love spirituality and all things spirituality like crystals and meditations, I invite you to come join me and my friends over in Happy Healing Cove in Facebook. It's for busy women who are into spirituality but don't have much time for self-care. I'm always leading something that's healing or fun for you. And if you're looking to start your spiritual journey, I invite you to check out the Activate Your Divine Life spiritual course. It's made for beginners or for people who are tired of kind of getting lost in the spiritual sauce. And I just made it with my heart, and I hope that it helps someone like you who's interested in spirituality and yoga but aren't sure where to begin. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for enjoying this daily dose of bliss, and I will see you in the next one.